Welcome. Hello. Good afternoon.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes. Welcome again. This is the Museum of Natural Science and Human Being. We're very proud of this museum, and we are really happy you decided to come see. Thank you.
Plant and marine species found nowhere else, and the best example of a volcanic high mountain ecosystem. Every journey is itself a search and a fascination, and certainly we have the best laboratory. I hope our island has left its marks in the hearts of those illustrious travelers, and will remain forever in the hearts of those of us who have been fortunate enough to experience it. Thank you very much.
I came to Tenerife to attend the Starmus Festival, a unique combination of science and rock music. I greatly enjoyed Starmus, organized by Garrick Israelian, though I wasn't able to attend in person the round-table discussion at the observatory on La Palma, because of the altitude. Tenerife is a beautiful island, much warmer than Britain in October. I was impressed by the botanical gardens, and by my visit to Onos, one of the sponsors of Starmus. I was very interested in the research carried out at the Astrophysics Institute of the Canary Islands, which covers many areas I'm interested in, like the CMB and primeval black holes. Thank you.
Distinguished visitor. Wonderful. Brilliant.
The specific aspect of every of the Canary Islands, each Canary Island. So from the Lanzarote and Fuerteventura, the eastern part of the archipelago, to the most recent island, that is the small island of El Hierro, that 2 years ago suffered a volcanic eruption underwater. Yes, everybody can enter here to see the, I think, the wonderful scenes of the island.
Yeah, the way you have it laid out.
Yes.
Yeah.
And, but it's very curious, this, the small dimension of, of the thing. Yeah. What method we have to study? Both months, etc. Besides this, every month we prepare controls for the best condition of the mummy. This is a child mummy coming from the Department of Santos here, very close to the museum.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yes. No, nothing. The Egyptians, two of the methods.